title of our mele is called Kahu I Ke Ahi, written by Puakea Nogomeyer. This mele talks about how each and every one of us have the power to hang on to the things that are most important to us in life and to cherish the simple things in life. It's so important to choose the things that are most important to us. This mele is about the power that each of us hold in tending to the world around us and cherishing the simple things that we have in life, what is meaningful to us in life. You know, the words that Puakea has used is just inspiring for us to be better people. In this particular mele, he talks about, you know, the fire is everything that's around us, and we being steadfast and making sure, you know, asking yourself what is important, you know, what do you hold dear to yourself? Is family important? Is Heavenly Father important? Hula. Hula is our force. Hula is our guideline to our everyday life. For me, holding dear to the precious things in life, like our families, just Aina itself as well, you know, caring for our Aina, caring for our beaches, and just caring for life itself.